So in this video we are going to create this B pattern using stars in Python. So here you can see this is a column and these are the rows. So you can see here these are 5 rows and you can see 3 columns. So when we write logic for this pattern, what we can do, we can use a if condition for this. If column is equals to 0, then we will. So now we are going to write the logic here. So first create a loop for I in range. We are having 5 rows, so let's write 5 here. So we can use row as a variable, so it will be easier. Now we create a loop for the columns. So column in range 3, because we are having 3 columns, 0, 1 and 2. Now you can see here on the first column, 0th column, if column is equals to 0, then we will print stars, or if row is equals to, or you can see here there are 3 columns, 0th row and 2nd row and the 4th row, but the column is 1 where we are having star. So we can use column is equals to 1 as common. So or column is equals to 1 and row is equals to 0, or you can see row is equals to 2, or row can be 4. If this, then we will have a star. Otherwise, the third thing that we are having star on, first row and the second column, third row and the second column. So here's column is second, so this is common for both. Column is second and row is 1 or row is 4. So no, row is third, not 4, 1 and third. So now write print star and equals to. So this is how we are writing our code. Now if these are the conditions, then the star will be printed. Otherwise, print a blank space. Don't end this row, that's why we are using and is equals to this, and now end the row, that's why we are using print statement for ending the row. So now run this, run module, save this. Invalid syntax. Okay, now yeah, here we are having invalid syntax. Use row or for this, and now this, run this. Now you can see the output as B. So this is how you can do this, and this is the code for the pattern B. Okay, must like the video and subscribe the channel. So then we will print the star. Then we can use row and columns. Like if we have we will use or. If we have this one is row 0 and this one is column 1, row 0 column 1, row 0 1 2, row 2 and the column 1, and the row 5 3 and 4, row 4 and the column 1. So this is how we can do this. Row is equals to 0 and column is equals to, so what we can do, we can use or column is equals to 1. So this one we are going to use, and with this column we can use row is equals to 0 or row is equals to 2 or row is equals to 4. So this is how we can do this. And for this stars we can use row is equals to 1 and the column is equals to 2, row is equals to 3 and the column is equals to 2. So let's see on the IDE how we can do this.